Sir, if you don't mind me asking, are you new here? Yeah. I just came in from the factory. Actually, name's Cool Ranch. What's your name? I'm Nacho Cheese. Can I buy you a drink? Sure, why not? You know what? That was the deepest conversation of my entire life. Mine too. Friends? I thought that went without saying. And he turned himself into a pickle. Funniest thing I've ever seen. No way. What was that? Stay still. Stay still. What? But why? Just stay still! He is here. I don't understand. Who is he? He is the endless consumer. Destruction of all. Scourge of the packaged foods. He feeds our home, and then he feeds on us. Oh my God, Nacho Cheese. Look, there's something I have to tell you. I love... Oh no. Oh God. I've been chosen. What? No. You'll die. I'll miss you, Cool Ranch. But Nacho Cheese, tell my story! But I love you, Nacho Cheese. Oh God, oh, it's disgusting. Wait up a second, Tony, I think I'm gonna get a Cool Ranch instead.